Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into how to use dependencies visualization in Zoho Project, your ultimate guide for 2025. First things first, log into your Zoho project. Now that we're logged in, let's navigate to the Task Dependencies section. This is where we can see the interconnectedness of our tasks. It's important to know this because it helps us understand the sequence and flow of our project tasks. Now, once we're in the Task Dependencies section, we'll click on the Dependencies Visualization button. This is the key feature that helps you visualize the dependency chain of your tasks. It's like a roadmap, guiding you through the project tasks and their dependencies. After clicking, we'll see a graphical representation of all our tasks and their dependencies. It's a bit like a flowchart. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each task is linked to the task it depends on, creating a visual chain. This helps us because it lets us see at a glance which tasks are dependent on others, giving us a clear view of our project's workflow. Now let's say you want to make adjustments. Simply drag and drop the tasks on the chart. It's that simple. The reason we do this is to allow for flexible project management. If a task's deadline or priority changes, you can easily adjust the task dependencies to reflect that. Lastly, don't forget to save your changes. It's a small step, but crucial to ensure your project stays up to date and accurate. And there you have it. That's how you use dependencies visualization in Zoho Project. Remember, this feature can be your best friend in managing and understanding your project tasks. It allows you to see the bigger picture and keep your project flowing smoothly. So, go ahead and give it a try. I'll see you in our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.